Scarlett, I want to pull you on. Is there any way you can unmute yourself? Okay, you got your video too. All right, hold on.
Hey, can you hear me?
I forgot to record this call. Okay, I could hear you. Let me hold on before you do anything. Let me try and okay, there you are. Scarlett,
Hi.
good to see you. Okay,
Good to see you
so
too.
awesome to have you on here. So maybe
Thank
take
you.
2 to 3 minutes to even go back into your testimony in 2 to 3 minutes on how you got started with Market Builders, some of the numbers you were able to make and some of the testimony. And then afterwards, maybe you have some tips for the community and whatever God has placed on your heart to share with everyone.
Thank you. So like I shared before, I started, I would say December or even January, this business, because I was in Honduras when you mentioned about Facebook Marketplace, but I didn't have the shipping only option. So when I came to the States, I got it like almost like a month later, but I used another person account. So I was like, I had a why, you know, and I had to do it and I had to do it. So I had like a lot of up and downs, and like even in May, like I was out like 10 times the whole month, but I kept consistent. You know, there were days that I didn't want to do it, but I have a why, so I have to do it. And then I started, I mentioned here before about promotions, and I do like almost 4 promotions a day, like even you know that they're active, like I try to like end it and then start another one. And I feel like that's how I started having views, where for a month I had like tons of views, like almost half a million, you know, views in my account, which that was like the first time. But the testimony that I have to give you guys is that yesterday somebody asked me like, so will you like to share how much revenue have you you know, the whole time doing this? And I would say since January using the shipping only. Okay, so I'm not saying this to brag, because that's not the point here, you know, because no, I'm just so happy and proud of myself and the whole community and grateful with you and God. And so yesterday I started doing numbers, and just in Facebook Marketplace, I have done $93,000 revenue.
Come on. Clap it
I
up
know.
for Scarlett. That's awesome.
So adding that to my Amazon, because you know we're Rainmakers too. Then I got that 6 figures award yesterday because you know, doing all that. And a year ago I never, you know, imagined something like this, you guys. And again, I'm sharing this not because, oh, look at me. No, it's because if I did it, like I was even afraid to respond a message because English is not my first language. Like sometimes I don't even know what to say back to people. So I have to Google it, you know, and translate it. And so it's kind of like double of the work, but I have a why, and God wants to bless me, and I only need to be like faithful, because it's good to work. Working is good, and work hard is even better. So it's worth it, you guys. So keep posting and keep doing the promotions, and always like I know you mentioned this, release your products that are best sellers. That's what I'm been doing. So far I'm just playing with like 60 different products. So I haven't really posted like new products. I'm just relisting the ones that I had.
Scarlett, that is so awesome. Thank you so much for sharing. That's amazing. We love you. Thank you so much for being part of this community and making it such a great place.